For our one balloon powered sword, I've taken a 260 and inflated it, leaving about a 2-inch tail on the end of it. We're going to start by making a fold twist with about a 7 or 8-inch bubble. Once you've got it folded, then grab the knot, spin it around a couple times, and then pass the knot through to secure it. Now we're going to make a little small bubble on the end here. I'll make that into a pinch twist to secure it. Then we're going to make a little series of small bubbles, all about a 1/2 inch in diameter. There we've got 5 of them. And then I'll make one more. That'll be the 6th, and that 6th one we'll take and make into a pinch twist. And then you just take the balance of it, poke it through the loop, shape it a little bit, and you get a very quick and simple pirate sword.